what's in season now. So everywhere, wherever you look, every store you go, you can see the yellow one, you can see the purple one, you can see the small one, big one. It's figs everywhere. Now it's time for figs. So what we normally do, as we did it in Iran, I remember when I was a little kid, my mom used to cook a lot of figs in the fall, whenever they were in season. So I decided to make some fig jam for you too. So it's so delicious. This is the favorite of me, my son, and all of our family. So what I have here, I bought half a box of figs, consisted of 6 small baskets, like this. So each basket is like almost a pound. So I have 6 of them. So what we do, as you see, they're kind of small. These are perfect for jam. So what we do first, because some of them have they have big tips, I cut the tips because I don't like it like this. So, but if you like it to be long, that's okay. So I cut this first, the tips, and I'm gonna wash them first. They are so delicious, you have no idea. You can eat it with tea, you can eat it for breakfast, you can eat it with peanut butter, anything you want. They're just great, and they look so beautiful. So, okay, we wash the figs, put it in you need a big pot because we are gonna add sugar, we are gonna add water. So you have to get a big pot unless you wanna cook less. So as I said, these were 6 baskets. Each basket is like approximately 1 pound. So I'm gonna give you the measurements per pound so you know if you're making less, if you wanna cook like 1 basket, 2 baskets, so you know how much sugar and water you have to add. Okay. So for each pound, I'm gonna put 1 cup sugar. So for this 6 pounds, I'm gonna add 6 cups of sugar. 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 cups of sugar, and for each pound I'm gonna add 2 cups of water, which is 12 cups of water. I've already measured it and it's here. So I'm gonna add the water too. 12 cups of water for 6 pounds. Okay. Okay. 12 cups of water. So now this big part is the cooking it. This has to cook for at least 4 hours. The first half an hour it's going to be on high heat, so it starts boiling. As soon as it starts boiling, then we are going to lower it for another 3.5. So this is going to cook well, and it's going to turn into syrup, and it's going to turn into nice brown glassy figs. So let's cook it. Okay, our fig jam is done. Look how beautiful it is, and look how shiny it looks. This is all because of the sugar. So this is what happens after all that water and sugar melts and cooks. After 4 hours, this is it turned to. So this is perfectly done. So the other thing is, if you want to keep it in for a long time and you don't want to put it in the refrigerator, you have to cook it a little longer. You don't want it to be a little watery, but I always keep it in the refrigerator. And you can eat it any way you want. I like to eat it with bread. My son likes to eat it with like sunny eggs and omelette. And he has a different way of eating things. But it's delicious. Oh, perfect. Look how beautiful it is. Unbelievable. You know, I always liked the fig jam. I always, even when I was a little kid. So you can eat any way you want. And I'm gonna show you now how you eat it. Okay, this is how I eat it. And you can eat however you want. And you can just eat it with tea too. I put it on bread, and sometimes I add some butter too, but this is how I eat it. It is so delicious, you have no idea This is the perfect jam ever. You can also eat it with toast. You can also make it peanut butter jelly. Anything you want to do, this is the best thing ever. I love it. I hope you make it and enjoy it. And like I said, while it lasts, because when the season is over, you can't find this much figs. So thanks for watching. I hope you like it. And please don't forget subscribe. Bye.